My Sav's not here right now. He's going to get groceries. He's going to come back. We just got this new fridge, and I'm going to scare him. There's nothing in it. As you can see, there's nothing in it. I don't know if you can see it well, but there's that. There's this. I'm going to close it, the inside of it, but he won't be able to see me, and I'm going to put it in a perfect spot. Yeah. Okay, I found a perfect spot.
Whoa, dude! You just spilled. I straight up saw that. No, I knew you were gonna do that. Oh, dude. Dude! Really? Really? I'm just kidding. Oh.
Alright, that was funny. Yeah, we're probably gonna do more, and...
Oh, dude, I'm pranking him back.
Alright,